Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable AMD Platform Security Processor on this laptop. To do this, turn on your laptop by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly press the F2 button until you see the BIOS menu in front of you. Now, once you're in BIOS menu, select Security, then scroll down, and when you see the AMD Platform Security Processor, click right here and then change the value to whichever one you want. If you disable AMD Platform Security Processor, you can also switch the device guard option from disabled, which will disable the device guard function, or enabled, which will enable this feature. And to apply changes, press F10 and then enter. To exit or to discard them, press escape button and then no if you are asked. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.